Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I extract ringtones from Sony Ericsson phones. I'm going to use the Sony Ericsson G502 as an example. So what you need is a computer, a USB cable and a phone that you can use to connect to your computer using USB. I'm just going to use this Nokia X3 as an example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Menu, Organizer, and then actually I'm going to look through info instead of the memory card. And so what I do is I mark all of them, then send via Bluetooth, and then I'm going to send it to the Nokia X3. So here's a Nokia X3. And the ringtones are being sent over, as you can see. So we're going to wait a little bit. And I'm going to go with other ringtones as well. Good morning and Sony Ericsson. Options, send via Bluetooth, Nokia X3. And you don't need a Sony Ericsson phone anymore, so just leave it off to the side. So you can see the ringtones are sent over to the Nokia phone, as you can see. And so what you do is connect the Nokia phone to your computer using USB. So I'm going to do that. Hang on, I need two hands, I can't be holding the camera. There we are, plugged one end into the phone and the other end into the computer. And it should detect it, so it says select USB mode, so I'm going to go with data storage. Actually no, I think that'll do just fine. But yeah, you can see right here the ringtones, well on a Nokia phone anyway, the ringtones from the Sony Ericsson phone are sent to the received files folder. So here are the ringtones. I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of them. So it's doing it whilst holding the camera. Then I'm going to drag them all to the desktop. At this point you don't need the phone connected to USB, so I'm going to unplug it. Then what you do with all these ringtones is right click, make sure you right click all of them, then click add to archive. You need to use WinRAR for this, and so call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it G502, and archive format I'm just going to go with zip because it's more supported than RAR. And there you go, there's the download. So what I'm going to do now is what I used to sort of like upload the files so that you can download them. I use MediaFire, it's just what works for me. So I'm going to log in. Hang on, I'm just going to put my information. Well, I've logged in. Then I'm going to hit upload. Then I'm going to go ahead and drag this zip file over to here. I'm just going to keep both just as an example. So here's the so it's uploading, as you can see. You just have to wait for it to upload. And there you go. Once it's finished, just click on copy link over here. And it should say copied share link to clipboard. And now you can paste, and there's the download link. So you can go ahead and send that off to someone or put it in a description of your video. So yeah, hopefully this video helps some people, and thanks for watching.